Peace, family. I hope everyone is doing well today. Whoever is viewing this, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit because I'm not sure if you all will be able to hear me well enough. Okay. So, it's been some time since I've made these types of videos where I'm just, speaking and talking, talking my shit. So, I figured why not just go ahead and just jump right back into it. So, the message that kept coming to me today was talking about healing and how so many of us put this pressure on ourselves to heal. We try to become something more than what we are. We always are searching for ways to be a better person, to be a better version of our best self. And all that kept coming to me was, one, you are enough, that you don't need to heal. You are already whole. You have no wounds. You may look down and feel like there are scars and that you are wounded. But even with the appearance of those, it is all just an illusion. You are whole within yourself. You don't need to do anything else to be a better you, to be your best self. You don't have to strive to be your highest self. You are your highest self. The one thing that is constant throughout all of the changes that consistently happen around us is you. You are the only thing that does not change. The awareness in you, your consciousness, that does not change. While everything around us changes and one day soon shall perish, the one thing that stays constant is you. You may transform or transcend in many different ways, in many different forms. But even the ways and the forms that you transform and transcend in, those still do not become your identity. You are simply consciousness. You are pure. You are innocence. You are love. Everything exists because of you. I exist because of you. I am simply your reflection. I am simply you talking back to yourself. I'm simply here by myself. I'm talking to myself. The music that you may hear in the background, you are making this sound. This is all you. As beautiful as this is, you have the nerve to feel as though you have to change something about you in order to make you better, or to make you whole, or to make you perfect. We always say, or I've heard before, and I've even said it myself sometimes, that my imperfections are what make me perfect. What imperfections? What flaws? I am flawless. I'm perfectly made. As are you. As within, so without. As above, so below. You are already whole. You are already perfect. There is nothing else that you have to do in this life to be a better you. You are right where you are supposed to be. You are doing specifically what you are supposed to do right here in this moment. We put so many tasks and so many loads on our shoulders trying to be something that we are not. And then we wonder why when we follow our ambitions sometimes, or when we follow our calling sometimes, while we are still stressed, while we still feel like there's a piece of us that's still unfulfilled, while there is always longing to be more. It's because you don't realize that everything that you need, everything that you want, everything that you feel you deserve to receive, you already are. So you're going to spend your whole entire life in this lifetime chasing after something outside of yourself, not realizing that you already have it all within. You don't need to do anything else. Your purpose for existing is just to exist. Forget what mommy told you. Forget what daddy, your friends, forget what society told you that you had to do. Forget this calling, your life mission. Forget all of those things, as beautiful, and yes, they are precious. And I'm not saying just sit around all day and just be zen and meditate all day. You don't have to live that way. What I'm saying is get back to the roots. Know why you exist, what your full purpose is. Your true purpose, outside of everything else that we've told ourselves, is just to exist, just as you are. You are pure consciousness. You are the source and you are the resource. You exist so that consciousness can get to know itself just a little bit more. That's why you manifested all of this. That's why you manifested me. That's why you manifested this painting and the art, the trees, the bugs, the animals, this music. You manifested yourself in so many different ways so that you can get to know yourself just a little bit more. So by always trying to step outside of yourself and longing to be something more than what you already are, or to be better than what you already are, you are going against the complete natural grain of things. You're not flowing with the natural. You are here to exist just as you are, as beautiful, as perfect, and as pure as you already are. You don't need to do anything else. You don't have to do a thing. I say this all in love, peace, and joy. I appreciate you for existing, and I'll see you all in my next video.